Good morning. Last time I sat here, we were talking about doing this. We're on today, whatever it is, day three. And we're actually doing it. We found out what the problem with the bike was, and we found out also why I couldn't fix it. Front derailleur was absolutely shot. So basically, my little man Pascal did a great job, replaced it with something that shouldn't be on there, but it works. Here we go. It's 8:15 in the morning. Yesterday was hot as hell. We're in the middle of Canacool here, which means day after day after day after day of hot and more hot. The bike, when moving at any sort of speed, was reading about 41, 42. Static in sun, with just sun beating down on you, it was reading about 56. And I was properly wilting by the time we hit Carl. All I did yesterday evening was just drink liquid, and not the sort you're thinking. I was actually pretty good, because I'm going to do this again today, and I am struggling. I don't know how far I've got today. I have absolutely no clue. The little machine on the bike knows it. I'm just going to ride it. I'm going to try and break it up. It's early morning, for me anyway. Primarily because it's going to be hot again, and I just do not want to be doing this in the afternoon if I can avoid it. Right, well, I'm going to ride around a bit. I'm going to get on with it. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope, well, you will do when you see it anyway. It's a laugh. And so we start this climb. I think there's about 4k of it all the way out of Cahors. It just gets steeper and steeper, and it's going to bloody kill me. Woohoo! Well, that's the first bit done. We're on to the D7 now. This just gets steeper and steeper and steeper. I'm looking at it on the climb view on Wahoo and thinking, oh good. Right, well, in the spirit of all the all-time great climbers, I'm having a break. I'm about 2/3 of the way up. I've just stopped for a drink and a vape, just to show how lovely I am. Before we do that bit, and then it just gets up, I think it gets up to about 6.87%, which with a fat bloke and a laden bike's a hell of a lot. And I mean, it's whatever time of day it is now, it's just gone 9 o'clock, and we're on at 25, 26 degrees. What I need, some potable water. I need Marnac. And coffee, woohoo! Now it's beginning to look a bit more like a cycle trip. That coffee's good. I think it might be 2 coffee stops, to be honest. Well, it's just proven something to myself. I can actually do hills slowly with a couple of stops, a bit of vaping, lie down, darkened room. But there we go. That's why you do these things. I'm actually quite proud. Get the payback for that climb. There was a bit of a shocker coming out of my Steve Marnac, because there was a 6.8% climb again, which I didn't know about. Now we get some downhill. Book this as the end of day stop. Right up at the top of there's a church, and I've got to go up there. It's going to be a lovely walk. This is a long way up here. I don't know what the hell it is. It's about 8%. It's a struggle to walk from lamppost to lamppost. Oh man, come here, I'll give you a shot. Hello everybody. What a good idea this was. just thought I'd show you what a sweaty mess looks like. God dear me. Whew. It's using the modern medium of video. These two are two of the nicest people you're ever going to meet, and they're going to be on YouTube before they know it.
Then we won't swear.
Try not to, I'll probably get censored on YouTube. Right, well, I'm significantly less sweaty now, so I thought I'd give you a shot of what actually this place looks like from up here. Because it's not terrible, is it? Was it worth sweating and slogging all the way up? Yeah, probably, I guess. What did I learn today? I thought I'd just do that quickly before we have dinner. I learned I can cycle day after day. Got about the same as today, tomorrow, 30 odd, 40 k's, I don't know, something like that. It's hot again, and I'm enjoying it. I haven't died yet, nothing's broken. We're going good. Cheers, guys.